Hi guys, it's me Abdullah, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Windows start menu isn't working and some other apps aren't open. For example, as you can see, mine too isn't open. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's get started. First of all, we need to open our taskbar. We need to open our device manager. You can open that in two different ways. You can press your Windows and R together. You can open it, or you can just right click on your taskbar. Use your taskbar if you don't know what is called taskbar. It's sometimes down some computers, sometimes up. So you just need to right click. You see your task manager, you just need to open it. Shouldn't take too long. Yes. So once it opens, in some computers it might open like this. You just need to tap this more details. It opens in this full menu. So you just need to tap on this file, tap on run new task, then you need to tap on CMD. Once you type that, you need to check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Then you need to press the enter. Yes. So once it comes like this, you need to type in your drive. And before we can know what our drive is, we need to open Explorer. That's your file explorer or your file manager. So in order to open that, you can also come here, file, run new task, and type Explorer. So sorry, I'm very sorry. Yeah. So you need to type in your Explorer and press enter. Oh, sorry. Your Explorer. And quickly type in the double X. Yeah. So it brings your Explorer out. Use your file explorer or your file manager. So you just need to go to this PC. Yes. So as you can see here, this local disk, this sign, this C colon, that is your that is the device we are looking for. This C colon is the device we are looking for that we need to input in that dialog box. So put it in your mind, C colon. So you just need to minimize this and come back here. So in this place, you just need to type in chkdsk, then you give it a space, then you press C and colon, that's like double dot, colon, then space, then you just need to type in your / and F. So once you've done that, you just need to press enter. So it brings this chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. You like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system starts. So what you just need to do is just to press Y. So once you press Y and press enter, so as you can see, this volume will be checked the next time the system will start. So if there's any time you switch off your system or put it on, or you restart your system, it turn everything back to the normal point, and your Windows start menu will start to work. So I think this should help. If this didn't help, please comment below. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.